Days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo na yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS. PhilHealth, 89.
Ito nung Samo survey?
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos a bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Baharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba na military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang military ngayon. Do you think si Browner po ay mag-react po?
State yours. Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Browner will
When ito pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Kasi may statement siya, dapat natisan, dapat stay put lang kung military, wala naman siyang sinabi. No? In fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung Chief of Staff. Ano daw makakatulog yung Chief of Staff?
Matagal na siyang natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdamio nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sip-on mag-uusap kami, yung sip-on Lagdamio magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sip-on niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdamio durugista. Alam ni Lagdamio na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung wala. Pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get it correct. an accurate, true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would
The
give
right
up on
to be
his
heard,
dream, Mayor?
the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Maraming sabi, ganon, tanton. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa exact ano, Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
It is short of challenging Browner na. It is short of challenging Browner na to act on it.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kahit kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then
hinihintay.
people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo na siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulika. Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go all right. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
Kasi kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. sige Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa ano, tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos gano'n. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may maganong uprising, ano, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
to enjoy just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen.
Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoy them to opt out?
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said was Adoro is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
Civilian ako. I have no authority to order.
No, not order, but just to enjoin them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, Davao, oh. Sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yan. Kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Sa may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, pinumurag. If you can tap the fingers and say, masyadong tulog. Kunti na yan. Pero kung ako yun, isin mo lang, wala mong tulog. Kapi ka lang. Murahin mo, kaya po ka napahiya ka. Sundalo ng pagkamatay. Oo, nabaril sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the colonel.
Mayor, yung PSG
Was with-
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSG nila in Switzerland?
Colonel? Hindi ko nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PC nagsuicide. Minura niya.
ni
Ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan yan,
kailan Mayor?
Bago lang.
Sino ka taga-mura? Ang babae o ang lalaki?
Mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor,
Mayor, may ano dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man siya magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from these happenings po, as a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
again ma'am,
As a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko lang there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. there is no relief inside. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
How if,
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Palakpakin, let us approach the military. We approach the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we clap our hands and say that the military is takot. Yes, sinabi mo. Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like...
The silent martial law.
Martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, ang baluslos, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo talaga niya. And to make Martin from speaker, ang transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Martin.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. Possibility.
It can be possible. Wala yung cards wala sa Filipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Park.
Drugs na issue. Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na nagpagawa siya statement before na ang mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Unsa po yung comment na to ano? Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras sa pagbanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang
mga users dili daw addict.
Drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang mag-extend ang ilang oras sa pagbanarbaho.
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. So,
Why?
what is an addict? What is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028? Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ano. Ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, pupunta man ako ng Manila, I'll be frank with them, ilagkan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso na?
59.
So may plano kayo Mayor na puntahan ang
25 plans.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayo plano? Naka-schedule?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako magtanong.
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo,
Diba, hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita,
It's your brother, sir.
Ayaw ko yan. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you
Sir.
are optimistic na the military will conquer the
Ayaw ko rin kung yung lang, yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi wala ako, hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
pero wala pang schedule yung Mayor.
Wala ako, malapit na. Medyo kailangan ko rin.
Would you have an appointment with General Bronner about this? Talk, Antokan about this issue sa kanya?
The General
Bronner.
Ano, it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the Lieutenant Colonels.
The ground commanders,
Colonels,
you mean?
Lieutenant Colonels, and Major and down.
The ground commanders, you mean?
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang. Yung sa mga mababang posisyon, marami pang nagpapahiwatig yan. Pero takot lang sila because the chain of command.
You know, to the military, of course there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
It's among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... What does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money doing that? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Hoy,
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Sir,
Iyo.
given the fracture, but you are
Anak,
part
paday
of the
na ako.
whole. What is the
Nantod
equation?
ka ron?
Stop na lang, given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
Ayaw. Just give a statement. Bahala ka.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Yung sinasabi. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes, po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan eh, protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if you protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo, yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na the protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information saan na naman ang pera namin. So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo, walang sa PhilHealth, tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Natag na sa Yuda, uy.
Ayuda!
Ngayon mo itong mga tao nakakaon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi pinakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public?
Ano may Supreme Court injunction? Ano injunction?
Mag-explain ako sa public?
Ano injunction?
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Mayor, what's your...
Kayo nag-comfort kayo kay VP Itay after Thursday na
Wala ka ganda. Tugas ang babae. Kumaldita niya. Dood lang.
Mayor, what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, he cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it, wala akong problema, insignificant din ako dyan. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko nilang idama yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-Twitter na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako.
I'm going to exhibition.
Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last? Bago umalit ako pagka-presidente. Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, at yung pinakagitna, nasabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
Ano masagot, Mayor?
Sila pulapot si Magellan yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question pa po, it's because of your admission daw during the Quadcom hearing. Sabi nila may task force na daw nagbinuo ang DOJ to investigate your
So, as I
admissions.
said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
Wala. Preparan ka ng, hindi ka pwede maglay.
But on the investigation daw na binubuo ng DOJ ng
Di, ang investigations, nandoon ka sa police. Huwag ka kumuha kaya ang police, matiga-investigar. O doon mo malaman.
Did you bite the hook ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte.
Ay, ano si Credenes?
Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero alam mo talaga, hopelessly po. Talagang po, wala ka rin makuha. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you've admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment that you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala man. Nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Saan?
When you said that you ordered the killing,
Oh,
and also when you said that there was
the killing of what? Chickens, at sinabi ko doon. Kung ano yun, no?
Ang laka, ikaw nagpatay sa kanding ba?
Look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answers. What did you admit? Yes, I would admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko siya na, yes, I did feelings. Pagdating mo, what about the statement? Good look. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you are an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. Thousands of chickens. Marami kong pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note, anong feeling na katabi kayo ni Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga matagal kong na-realize. Hindi kasi ganun siya palagi. Hindi talaga there was never a time na nagganon siya. Tignan kami
Pero nung almost mo ibinato yung mic, ano siya, concerned siya sa'yo eh.
Kaya naman. Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone ba, may pag ganon ko. Dali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po si Lima, sinabihan yung mga.
Wala ko sinabi niya, Noy. Ano sinabi ko ba? Doon sa ano? Obit daw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President PBM na sa pagtatangka ni DP Sara? Sabi ni PBM, yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niya panampasin. Anong gawin niya? Gawin niya ang gusto niya. Wala ako dyan kayo. Kita mo hindi ako sumasagot kay Carlos. Ano ang sino nagsabi? Ano ang Mayor? Sugutin niya. Yun, nga sa baba niya. Sa Manila kasi Lorenzana. Walang katugan.
Ngayon nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaksyon ng mga tao at ang balita ay sa government, yung mga reaksyon nila is bahakhat, yung mga images na bahakhat.
Bakit?
Saka solid Duterte pa rin. Marami Duterte pa rin. Ibalik ang Duterte. How do you feel about it?
Wala na yan. Kasi I'm out. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm retired.
Nag-usap pa kayo uli ni ni Body Trump mo?
May plano akong tatawag.
Okay.
Tatawag, anong sasabihin mo, Mayor?
Sabihin ko, Trump, tayo pa ako.